welcome to my channel. Today I'm partnering up with FabFitFun to unbox my winter 2003 box. If you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, they're a seasonal subscription box, so that means 4 boxes per year that are valued up to $350 each. There's 2 ways that somebody can sign up as a FabFitFun member. You can sign up as a seasonal member, meaning you just pay for the box itself, and that's 3 times a year. And those boxes are priced at $59.99. Or you can sign up as an annual member where you pay the entire amount up front for the year. And if you do that, you do save $20 a year, meaning the boxes are then discounted at $54.99. And also, if you sign up as an annual member, you do get some of the perks where you can choose some of the items a little bit earlier than the seasonal members. What I love about the FabFitFun boxes are they are 100% customizable, so you do get to choose every single item in your box. Right now they're offering 2 different promotions. If you sign up as a seasonal member, you can get 20% off of your first box by using my code Christina20. Or if you wanted to sign up as an annual member, you can get a $200 plus surprise gift, and you can do that by using my code CHRISTINAGIFT. Now that you guys know a little bit about FabFitFun, let's go ahead and get into my winter unboxing. Okay, so here is the box. So cute, and I love how the boxes are not super hard to open. And just open it up here, and they do have the little card here, and it has a QR code on the back, and a little FabFitFun Ultimate Prize Pack valued at $10,000. So it's a little scratch off that you can do. And then it just has the paper on top here. And then everything that comes in the box. Since this box is 100% customizable, I did choose all of the items that came in my box today. So if you are somebody else, you could have something different in your winter box, but this is just what I chose to have. So the first item is this perfume, and it's by Rosie Jane, and it's called Dolce. And this one here is, let's see, it is 7.5 milliliters, so it's just a smaller one. And it comes in this really pretty packaging. And it says here that it is a vanilla hinoki wood nude musk. And I can say, oh, it smells really good, but you can definitely smell it's vanilla. So if you like vanilla scents, I think that you would really like this. It smells really fresh and just really pretty. I like this one. Again, this is a Dolce by Rosie Jane. And this one here retails for $28 for this size. Moving on to the next item in the box. This one I chose is called Natura Ecos, and it's a hand cream. It's called Castana, I believe is how you say it. Sorry if I did not get the name right, but it is 2.6 ounces on this one. And it just says it's a vegan, 97% natural hand cream. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what this one's like. Really pretty packaging again. Oh, that smells, oh gosh, that smells so good. Oh gosh, so clean. I love this so far. This smells amazing, and it feels really good too, moisturizing, but not greasy. You know how some hand creams that you get are really greasy? This does not feel like that. So I think I'm really gonna like this one a lot. And this one here retails for $18 for the 2.6 ounces. Now for the third item in the box, it is the Elemis Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. It's a reviving eye cream, and this one here says lightly apply to eye contour area, avoid direct contact with eyes. It's this skin synchronizing eye cream transforms the appearance of tired and overworked eyes. I definitely have overworked eyes. I'm 36 and I can tell I'm aging, so I need all the eye creams that I can get. So it comes in this package here, really pretty. I've actually had this one before, and when I saw it was an item that I could choose, I chose it again because I do love this eye cream. This one is 15 milliliters and it retails for $49 for this one. Moving right along into the next item, it is another skincare item. This one is by 111 Skin, Harvey Street, London. I've heard really good things about this. This one is their Black Diamond Brightening Essence. This one that I got is 30 milliliters. And like I said, since I've heard good things about it, I'm looking for good skincare. I saw it was an option. I had to pick it to try it. So it comes in this really pretty packaging here, and it smells really fresh and nice. It does have a scent, so if you don't like things that are scented, you might not like this, but I don't mind them. I think it smells really good. It does say that it helps skin appear brighter, more luminous, and visibly rejuvenated, and I need that in my life. So I'm hoping that I really love this one. And this one also retails for $43 for the 30 milliliter size. I like to use this product after I've washed my face, and I put about 5 or 6 drops into the palm of my hand. I then warm it up in between my hands and then just very gently press it into my skin. The next item is another beauty product. I love beauty products, as you can tell. And it is an eyeshadow palette. And this one is by Beauty Bakery, and this one's called The Chosen Bun. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Really cute and pretty packaging. The colors are beautiful for like everyday looks. I love these. I love shimmery eyeshadows. So it has a few shimmers and it has some matte shadows as well. So perfect for an everyday look or a little bit shimmery if you wanted to have like a night out look. We'll have to see how these test and see if they're really pigmented or not, but I love the colors in this palette. Here are the swatches of all of the shadow colors on my arm. A few of them are a little bit harder to see because of my skin tone, but all of the shadows are really buttery and smooth and super easy to blend out. For the last item in the bag, I chose this Rebecca Minkoff Crossbody Bag. I thought it was so cute on the website, so I really wanted to have it. I don't have a lot of like really cute bags, so I needed to get one, and it was an item to choose. So let's see what it looks like out of the packaging. Came in like double packaging. It had the plastic, now the paper. And this one here retails for $105. It has the little packaging keeping the strap together. So once we get all the packaging off, it has the Rebecca Minkoff, the RN, on the back side here. It does have like this cute little zipper tassel thing, and then it has like the silver on the straps, and then this is the front. How cute is this bag? I absolutely love it. I think it is so cute. I know I said that a lot, but it really is. Let's see the inside. Take all the paper out so I can see exactly how big it is. It has a little zipper here on the inside, so if you wanted to put, you know, little items in there, you can keep them separate from the main part of the bag. Perfect for a phone or a wallet, and just a really cute going out bag. I would probably not use this every day, but I love it. That was everything in my winter 2003 FabFitFun box. I do want to thank FabFitFun so much for partnering with me on today's video. Again, if you guys wanted to use the discount codes that I have, you can sign up as a seasonal member using my code Christina20 for 20% off, or you can sign up as an annual member and get that $200 plus free surprise gift using my code CHRISTINAGIFT. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching.